Do you want to sound confident in English? Today, I'll teach you 21 synonyms you can use every day.
These words mean the same, but using them will make your English sound more natural.
Start can be replaced with begin. For example, I start my work at 9 or I begin my work at 9.
Big is similar to large. For example, it's a big house or it's a large house. Much means the same as a lot. For example, I have much work or I have a lot of work. Tired can also be called exhausted. For example, I'm tired today or I'm exhausted today. Quiet is another way to say silent. For example, the room is quiet or the room is silent. Smart also means intelligent. For example, he is smart or he is intelligent. Help can also be called assist. For example, can you help me or can you assist me? Smart also means intelligent. For example, he is smart or he is intelligent. Buy is another way to say purchase. For example, I will buy a book or I will purchase a book. Rich is like saying wealthy. For example, he is rich or he is wealthy. Young can also be called youthful. For example, she is young or she is youthful. Easy also means simple. For example, this test is easy or this test is simple. Hard is another way to say difficult. For example, this work is hard or this work is difficult. Angry is similar to mad. For example, she is angry or she is mad. Happy is another way to say glad. For example, I'm happy today or I'm glad today. Comment your favorite word from today's lesson. I want to see what you already use.
Follow for daily English tips and subscribe on YouTube for full lessons. See you in the next lesson. Ciao!